Hey everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into Ethereum once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big the CoinsKid crew. So the CoinsKid crew and myself are doing incredibly well on our Ethereum position that we jumped into a few weeks ago against a herd mentality. I've shown you the data in the charts, the reasons why we was jumping into that position right there, and it's been a nice little trade so far. Okay, so we're smashing it. So basically, I just rely on the data. I look for any clues in the charts. I did find that clue on the USDT chart right there, running into that resistance as a beautiful inverse correlation. Equally the DXY. The S&P 500 as well, I've just shown you, and equally, most importantly, within the structure within itself, Ethereum and the bullish divergence on the stock, the MACD, and equally the RSI on the daily time frame. Now, Ethereum is trying to tackle the daily CoinsKid ribbon, okay, and it's looking to hold it and create that green buy dot. So I'll show that in today's video. But one of the key things I'm looking for here, which is one of the reasons why I did flip incredibly bullish on Ethereum this time last year as well, is because of the data from Bitcoin. Okay, so if we take a look, this time last year, for those people who don't remember, I was really bullish on Bitcoin after that correction, and equally Ethereum. And I said to you, I think it's up only here, and we've done incredibly well so far. So I think that Ethereum is in some kind of expanding leading diagonal, missing a final fifth wave. This is why I did buy as well the other week on that support line, and while I'll remain in that position, even if we dip again, like I'll show you in today's video, it's a 5-wave counter, and this is what we get involved in. So right now, if ever you see 5 waves on a downtrend, buy. If you ever see 5 waves on the uptrend, get rid. Basically, it's really simple. So right now we've got the data. 2016 we've got a positive September. This time last year we got a positive September. So I was incredibly bullish given the data, because if we look at 2016, we went on to have an amazing year end. 2015 bullish, amazing year end. So again, the data stacked up true. The 2023, the year end was amazing. Look at that. And equally for Ethereum. So again, if we get a nice positive close, and we have got around about a week left, so let's not jump to the conclusions just yet, but if we do see a nice positive September here for Bitcoin on its monthly close, then there's no reason to suggest why we won't get that beautiful move up, and which is something I'm expecting here for Ethereum. I think that possibly the bottom's in, and we're looking at the reasons why we did jump in the other week against herd mentality, and we bought them beautiful positions, and right now we've got the fruits of that. So let me show you the Ethereum chart right now to show you exactly what I'm looking at. Okay, but the data, if we get that close, is beautiful, and we'd simply respect the data on this channel. Okay, let's dive into Ethereum chart, see what we can see. So take a look at Ethereum on the daily time frame. At the moment we may have the qualification at the bottom, and so far we're up around about 20% on that move that we've jumped into a few weeks ago on this neckline that I relayed to you. So far so good. We're coming up the stairs, but it doesn't mean, and it doesn't guarantee that this is the absolute bottom. We need to see a little bit more structure here. So for those people that remember, I said to you from left to right, if we create some kind of reversal pattern down here, an ascending triangle, we break out, then yeah, it's all systems go. And the data in the charts, the lower lows in the index, the high lows in the RSI, the stock and the MACD under the 0 line is the same as the lower lows in the index there, the high lows in the RSI and the stock, and under the 0 line again on the MACD basically. So we're looking okay, but we need to see the confirmation. Now the confirmation came at this bottom once we broke out this ascending triangle and got our ass back above the ribbon and flipped green. Look at that. Beautiful, flip green on the ribbon, held it, boom, 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 boom. Been coming down ever since. Trend change, lower high, and we've been coming down ever since. So we most definitely want to see, just like we've seen just there, the ascending triangle breakout and this ascending triangle breakout. We most definitely want to see this breakout and hold the ribbon and take out this white sloping trend line, because this could actually be a bump and run pattern. You come down like this, it's your lead in, and then boom, you take it out and you're off basically. And then I think what we've got from this market bottom just here, November 2022, the truncation 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I think we've come up impulsively, correctively, impulsively, and this is a correction. But what we've done, we've overlapped this wave 1 high with this low. Okay, so the only bullish thing that we've got going forward is the fact that this is impulsive, corrective, and we're missing a final fifth wave of a leading diagonal here for Ethereum. So it may be a clue, providing we hold this neckline obviously, and we do not lose this wave too low. Ethereum could be on its way to this red trend line eventually, in the final wave, a final fifth wave of the blow off top of this particular cycle. So this is what I've got my eyes on, and I think that the data in the Bitcoin close at the end of this month could give us a major clue. We are seeing a nice little reaction so far for Ethereum, possibly carving out some kind of structural bottom down here. If we get our ass back above the ribbon and flip green like we did there, I think it could be all systems go here for Ethereum, and it is something you could wait for, but obviously there's going to be up and downs along the way. possibly some kind of ascending triangle here, which is a signature reversal pattern. Once we take out that level of resistance, this white trend line, that equally I think will be a major go signal for Ethereum, and this could be, you know, coincide with this sort of year end pushing into next year that we see if we get a positive close for Bitcoin on the monthly time frame. So I hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay on trade too. Remember, nothing I say is financial advice, but we may have found a beautiful little sweet spot last week on Ethereum, and currently off that green trend line we're up roughly 20% on our bags against our mentality. If we zoom in on the ribbon here, and I keep you updated as best I can, if we start to see this flip green and hold this support, you know, and hold high low structure here as well, we're doing okay. Getting ascending triangle here, resistance support, fall back, breakout, see you later. I think Ethereum could be on its way to 8k, which is that red line, which is a target I've had since 2019. Can you believe it? That's how long I've had that target for, and I'll show you why I've had that target really simply, because it's a 1618 fib. So there's your bear market, there's your 1, 2, 3, 4 final fifth wave, and from here to the high 1618 like a boss. We've hit the 1.414, had the correction back down to the 1 fib, which is basically swing high, swing low, find support, up you go. That's my end target. I've had that since way back here, guys, you know, showing my family and friends that that is my sell target. I've had that sell target for many years, and this is why I didn't give in to all this blood, fear and depression, because, you know, it's a 1 into a 2 into a 3 into a 4 into a 5. This is your final fifth wave of a leading diagonal. I could be completely wrong, and I'm looking for the invalidation of such, but at the minute I don't see it. I don't see any invalidation of my beautiful count, which is basically a 1 into a zigzag 2, a 3 into an irregular 4, and a final fifth wave coming up. Really simple. Hope you understand the update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. The invalidation in the short term, break down below that wave too high, around about $1,500. I'm completely wrong, and we're cooked, and we're in a major bear market going forward. Hope you understand the update. Thank you for support. Take care, everyone. Back to another update on Ethereum. Bye bye.